Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the month of July 2023. See, if you look at the chart of silver from 1980, we have seen there is a U pattern forming. Okay, after that there is a downfall we have seen, and that was a clear indication and a probability was high that if the price sustain above a level of around 2, you can say 18.5, chances was very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around 28 to 29. Why? Because this is a U pattern and this level is already being tested here. If you have seen my previous video, I have categorically told you that there is a high chances that it can touch this particular level if the price sustain above a level of $21.3, because there is a pattern forming and this pattern is being since, you can say, 1918, and there is a more of probability that once the price comes close to a level of 21.3 and 21.3, that is already being a weak resistance. So chances was very high that if the price was touching and sustaining a level of 20.9, was very high that it can touch a level of around 27 to 29, because that is the level. And if now also if it sustain this level, we can see it can go towards 36 or 35 and can cross that particular zone. What you can see looking at this particular chart, as for that, okay, once the price sustain of 29, we can see it can cross a level of 30 zone, and a probability of going further upside we can see for the price of silver, because a pattern is forming. Okay, but in the pandemic what we have seen that the price has fallen sharp, and after that there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next month, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart, a U pattern is forming here, that leave that pattern, and now if you look at this particular pattern, a U pattern is forming here. Okay, and a fall we have seen. So if the price sustaining above a level of 21, a probability of going further upside will be there, because this is a 3, 4 to 5 years pattern from 2012 till 2020, 8-year pattern, and this is a small pattern from 22 till 25 months pattern. So probability is high that I have already explained that it can touch this particular pattern, the same pattern is forming here, and now from since 2 months there is a continuous fall. Suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, a level of around $24, chances are very high we can see it can move further upside. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, from 2 months there is a fall, so chances are very high that if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go towards its next support of $22.499, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances of going further low will be there, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $22.187. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below $22.187, chances are very high it can move further down and can touch a level of $21.57, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching a level of $21.278 is there, and from there we can see a level of $20.84. Okay, now once the price fall below $20.84, then a probability of going further down will be there, and we can see it can touch a level of $20.406 there, and from there we can see a level of $406 and $20.216 is there, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, a opposite pattern forms, because what you have to look at this particular chart, because a trend is forming. So once the trend line moves below a level of $20.8, chances of going further low will be there for the price of silver. But if the price sustain this level, but overall trend you can see there is from 2 months there is a continuous fall. Okay, so the strong support once the price fall below a level of 22.084, we can see coming at a level of $21.081. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then you can see a level of $20.031, because after that you can see a pattern at a level of $20. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can move further down. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what you can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, it can move towards a level of $24.236. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it can cross a level of around $20.461. $24.461 already being tested here, so chances of crossing a level of $24.691 is there. And if the price move above that particular level, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards 24.921 is there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high it can move further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around 24.329 is there if the price sustain this particular level. And if that level move upside, then we can see it can cross a level of around 24.806. 24.806 is already being a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of around $24.921 is there, and that is also being a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of 25 is there. Okay, and if the price sustain of 25, you can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of touching 25.746 is there, and from there we can see a level of 25.746 is there. After that we can see a level of 26, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, this is I'm talking about this zone. Okay, then there is a pattern forming. If the price sustain above 26, then a probability of going further upside we can see for the silver. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and thank you.